A+ലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the ENCLAPS channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Hi, let's study consumer satisfaction and consumer protection. Look at the pictures. In the first one, it is a shop that sells the food items that we need. In the second picture, those are the educational institutions to provide the educational facilities that we need. In the next picture shows the transportation we need. And in the last picture, you see of a hospital which we approach them for the treatment. From this, what we get to understand about man has various wants such as food, cloth, shelter, education, health, entertainment, etc. For this, we use goods and services. Do we pay for all the goods? Do all services have to be rewarded? We are now in a situation where even water and air have to be paid for. Do you know the reason for that? The reason is scarcity of resources and increase in wants. Let's see how consumption is defined. Consumption is the satisfaction of human wants using goods and services. And consumer is a person who purchases and uses goods and services by paying or agreeing to pay a price. In order to satisfy our wants, we depend primarily on sale outlets and service centers. Production, distribution, and consumption are interrelated economic activities. In reality, all economic activities are meant to satisfy the consumers. Let's see how Gandhiji defined consumer satisfaction. A customer is the most important visitor on our premises. He is not dependent on us. We are dependent on him. He is not an interruption in our work. He is the purpose of it. He is not an outsider of our businesses. He is a part of it. We are not doing him a favor by serving him. He is doing us a favor by giving us an opportunity to do so. Have you noticed Gandhiji's words? Let's study what the consumer expects while purchasing products and using services. They are quality, reliability, after-sale services, low rate, fast service. We can only be satisfied if we get things like this. Let's see how satisfaction is defined. The act of fulfilling the wants of the consumer through the consumption of goods and services is called satisfaction. There are various circumstances where the consumers are exploited or cheated. They are selling low-quality products, adulteration, charging excess price, manipulation in weights and measures, delay in making services available. What we learn from this? The situation that lead to the exploitation of the consumers increase with the increase in the extent and intensity of consumption. Consumers must be able to consume with the ease and without being exploited. For this, laws, administrative measures, and consumer education, etc. are necessary. Thus, the consumer is deceived. The government introduced some laws. That is, Consumer Protection Act 1986. The Consumer Protection Act 1986 clearly defines the consumer's rights and sets up special judiciary mechanisms for consumer protection in India. Let us see some of the rights of the consumers as per the Act. The right to be protected against the marketing of goods and services which are hazards to life and property. The right to be informed about the quality-related aspects of goods and services. The right to have access to goods and services at fair prices. Right to be heard and to seek readdressal and appropriate forums. the right to consumer education. Hope you understood about consumer satisfaction and protection. See you later.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ എൻക്ലാപ്സ് ദ ലേണിംഗ് ആപ്പ്.